Mncedisi Filtane o tholetswa ka ho ba moahi wa setjhaba le ho ba motho ya neng a le kgahlano le bobodu. Mokga wa habo UDM o re o lahlehetswe ke mampudi.
Good governance and civil order were matters of great concern for Mr. Filtane. Looking after public resources and ensuring that they are used for the social and economic upliftment of our people was paramount in his mind.
Monghadi Filtane ibile setho sa parlamente ho tloha ka 2014 ho isa ka 2019. Empa nakong ya lefu la hae e ne le setho sa ketso ya melao Kapa Botjhabela.
He was a charismatic member of the provincial legislature who was always keen on engaging on robust debates during house sittings and in the various portfolio committees he diligently served on.
Ba lelapa la hae ba re ba tla dula ba hopola menyabuketso ya hae.
Integrity was a cornerstone of his value system, loved his community with all his might. He did everything that he could for his community, loved his family, and truly led by example.
Filo, jwala khana re neketswa, o sia mohatsae, bana ba tshiletseng le ditloholo tse 12.